Dr. Mangoljam Maigam, Assistant Professor, Department of Political Science, NG College, to deliver on socio-economic impact of COVID-19 pandemic on the women of Manipur. Sir, please carry on.
Good morning, dear participants. The name of my paper is Socio-Economic Impacts of COVID-19 Pandemic on the Women of Manipur. Introduction. The COVID-19 is an infectious disease caused by severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus SARS-CoV-2. It is also generally known as coronavirus. In Manipur, it was first reported on the 24th March 2020 to a resident of Imphal West who was a student returning from London. To fight COVID-19 pandemic, the first lockdown was imposed in Manipur from the 21st to 26 March 2020 by the government of Manipur. In the meantime, the nationwide total lockdown for 21 days also started from the 25th March to the 14th April 2020. Then a series of 5 lockdowns is continuing till now. Objective of the present paper. The main objectives of the present paper are: number 1, to study social impacts of COVID-19 on the women of Manipur. Number 2, to highlight economic impact of COVID-19 on the women of Manipur. Methodology of the present paper. The present paper is mainly based on explorative and descriptive in nature. Both primary and secondary sources are used in the collection of material. The main primary sources in the collection of material of this paper are observation, interview, and fieldworks at the emerging so-called Corona cattle markets, which are sprung up during this period. The main secondary sources used for this paper are newspaper and website. Result and discussion. A. Social impacts of COVID-19 pandemic on the women of Manipur. Social impact of COVID-19 pandemic on the women of Manipur can be mainly discussed as follows. Number 1, social responsibility of female health workers. A healthcare worker is one who delivers care and services to the sick and ailing either directly as doctors and nurses or indirectly as helpers, laboratory technicians, or even medical ward handlers. In Manipur, the majority of them are females. In Manipur, female health workers are facing many social and professional responsibilities as a mother or a wife or daughter or a medical staff. At the same time, doing official works, they must also try not to impact from coronavirus to them and their respective families so as to escape from social stigma. Number 2, ASA workers' vulnerability. ASAs are local women trained to act as health educators and promote in their communities. In Manipur, due to the shortage of expert healthcare workers in present pandemic, ASAs are used as medical helpers in many quarantine centers of Manipur, so ASAs are at sometimes very vulnerable and may be exposed to coronavirus if there is COVID-19 positive among the inmates of quarantine centers where they work. Such fear come into reality when a 60-year-old ASA worker from Kangpokpi District Ward number 5 with no travel history tests COVID-19 positive. Her sample was collected on the 31st July along with other ASA workers and result came on 3rd August 2020. Number 3, pregnant women's wounds. The pregnant women also have been many difficulties such as regular checkup at government hospital or private hospital during this pandemic period. The most critical time for them is the delivery period of their babies. During this period, another most critical period for them is when the hospital refused to admit them. In this regard, a 20-year-old woman hailing from Nonne district died in the early morning of the August 6, 2020, along with her unborn babies at the gate of casualty ward of a premier private hospital. She was died after 2 government hospitals and 3 private hospitals refused to admit her on the ground that there was no doctor to attend her. Unfortunately, the deceased pregnant women carried non-COVID-19 certificate, which became a mandatory to visit a doctor or a hospital nowadays. Economic impacts of COVID-19 on the human power of Manipur. The main economic impact of COVID-19 on the human power of Manipur can be discussed as follows. Number one, human vendors of Nupi Kaithian market. Ima Kaithian or Nupi Kaithian is a market run exclusively by women at the heart of Imphal city. Women vendors having more than 3,000 imas run the stall selling handloom and handicraft items, fruits and vegetables, fish and other items in different sections. It is a center of economic activities and the largest socialization place in the whole of Manipur. Ever since the lockdown to fight the COVID-19 pandemic was imposed from the March 21, 2020, the women vendors have been hit hard, and they are now poised precariously between hunger and the fear of infection by coronavirus if they venture outside. Till now, unlike the other places and shops, the lockdown is continuing at Ima Kaithian for the last 5 months, and many of them are the sole bread earners of their families. Loss of livelihood and financial insecurities during the extended lockdown 5-number period. Many of the women vendors are facing a lot of problems in maintaining their families. Number two, women street vendors. The shifting women vendor of Imphal city and nearby market also face the similar economic hardships. Number three, Corona Kaithian markets. Due to the total lockdown in and around Ima Kaithian areas, popularly known as Khwarambam Bazaar, many women street vendors have the chance of forming emerging many mini markets, so-called Corona Kaithian markets, especially at Andro Parking, Tera Kaithian, Moirang Lerak, Khamnam Lerak, and Naurem Thong. Now, they are also facing economic hardship due to recent 14 days total lockdown imposed by the government of Manipur after community-like local transmission are found in many places of the valley of Manipur. Number four, petty tea stall women vendor at every Laikai. Vendors who survive on the meager income they earn by selling tea and local snack also face the economic hardship. With the tide of lockdown, it has become difficult to sell, and hike in price of community have also added to their woes. For survival, they open their tea stall in short period of time, generally maintaining social distance. If they are caught by the police, they must give fine for breaking the SOP guidelines given by the government. Number five, emergence of home distribution of tea and snack. Another area related with selling tea and local snack at local petty tea stall is home delivery of tea and local snack by going house to house, selling in respective areas by the young married women for survival of their impoverished respective families. They are doing such earning during the lockdown time in the early morning every day in their localities. Conclusion. From the above discussion, it is clear that due to COVID-19, all parts of the globe seriously affected. The women of Manipur also facing a lot of socio-economic hardship, as in Manipur all socio-economic activities, especially at home, is managed by them, and traditional economic roles are played by them. Due to the current pandemic, the Manipuri women have been facing a lot of economic hardship, especially women vendors and street vendors as well as daily wage earners, so the government and all concerned must help them. Thank you.